Designed specifically for busy moms who want to organize meals for family or loved ones. This family daily meal planner is the right choice to fit the purpose. Let's start with how to add meals. Simply press New Meal Plan on your quick buttons. 3 items be filled in automatically in your meals database on your right side. Next, choose your preferred recipe along with the date as shown here. For your comfort, it will be reflected on your calendar view as well. Let's do it again. Choose your preferred recipe along with the date, and you'll see it on your calendar view. That's it. Complete. Next up, we'll check out the new recipe section. We'll choose creamy bacon carbonara, for example. First, you'll see the recipe name, link, photo cover, the list cuisine type, estimated cooking and prep time, etc. Also, on the page itself, you can jot down your ingredients list and the step-by-step. Lastly, your grocery list. Scroll down and press the grocery list for creamy carbonara. Here, you can jot down all the ingredients you need to buy, and tick it if it's already bought. That's the overview of Family Daily Meal Planner. Thanks for watching and hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe ya.